Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you a really cool feature that I used because of a situation that came up. So you can see I'm in Google Calendar and I have a few meetings that are supposed to be this afternoon. I just got called away to an appointment that I have to attend. So what I need to do is move all of these appointments to Friday afternoon. Good news, you don't have to do this manually. So you can actually go to your Gemini app. And in the Gemini app, you want to make sure that you go into your settings window down in the very bottom left. Make sure that you go to connected apps and turn this on in terms of the connector to Google Calendar. If you've already done that, good news. You are in good shape because all we need to do is go into the prompt bar in the middle. You can leave the model at fast. I need to have Google move these events from today to Friday afternoon, and I'm going to do them at the same time. All right, so let's watch what happens. Okay, now I own all of these events, so that's the key piece here. You can't move something that you don't own. However, here's what's going to happen. We're going to go through this. It's going to say, can you move? Yes, we can. You'll see the connector to Google Calendar occur. It will give me a preview. Here's the events that I want to move. I'm going to say yes. Do you want to make those changes right now? And just that fast, everything's done. So it's already moved. So let's go back to Calendar. And you'll see all of my events that were here on Wednesday are now on Friday. Now, the next question goes to, were updates sent to attendees? I've moved the events for you, and since those meetings include other participants, Google Calendar automatically sends update notifications to all the attendees to let them know about the new time on Friday. How cool is that? So I literally just moved, in this case, 5 events from today to Friday with one sentence. Love it. Give it a try. That is a connector that you can utilize with Gemini and Google Calendar. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update. This is Triple G, or Gary the Google Guy, signing off.